Did you know a Jewish rebel once saved his life by predicting the future of Rome? In 67 AD, Josephus was trapped in a cave with 40 other Jewish fighters. Roman soldiers surrounded them with no way out. His men decided to kill themselves rather than become prisoners. They drew lots to see who would die first, but Josephus was clever. He rigged the lottery so he would be last. When everyone else was dead, he surrendered to the Romans instead of killing himself. The Roman general Vespasian was ready to execute him, but Josephus made a wild claim. He said Jewish prophecy revealed that Vespasian would soon become the Roman emperor. This seemed impossible since Nero was already the emperor, and Vespasian was just a general. But then something amazing happened. Nero died the next year. 2 years later, Vespasian actually became emperor. He was so impressed that he freed Josephus and made him a Roman citizen. Josephus then helped Rome destroy Jerusalem and wrote the history books about the war. He went from enemy commander to Roman historian.